Race number 1 here, Santa Ana Park. And the race is on. Princess Julian, one slow out. Yes, Papa. Princess Julian alongside is One Bahamas. Moving up by the Escolta cheerleader. Alongside is Superior Art. Then comes Hey Jude. And moving up Mr. Environment. And rounding the far turn, One Bahamas. Moving up Superior Art. Princess Julian. Escolta down on the inside for rushing up. Hey Jude, cheerleader, scout, ranger, Mr. Environment. Final judgment as they raise the corner. Princess Julian alongside, moving up is Scout Ranger, One Bahamas in between runners. It's now entry number 5, Princess Julian. Alongside is One Bahamas. At Stealth Princess Julian, Scout Ranger, One Bahamas on the outside, Superior Art Escolta. And nearing the finish line, Princess Julian, Scout Ranger, One Bahamas, Hey Jude, close, Mr. Environment, Superior Art Cheerleader, Escolta.
Okay, 5